What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how parents can budget using Trim. Parents, Trim can help you to take control of your family's finances without the stress. Let me show you how it's done. First, start by linking your joint bank accounts. Trim will track all household incomes and expenses in one place. Use the spending category feature to monitor exactly where your money is going, like groceries, childcare, or school supplies. Set custom budgets for each category to stay on top of monthly spendings. Do you want to save for a family goal? Well, create saving targets for things like vacation, emergencies, or a new car. Trim also detects recurring bills so you never miss a payment, and even helps you to cancel unused subscription so you can of course save money. Smart budgeting made easy for busy parents. That's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.